All right, so today we're going to talk about the domains with the standards. So when you look at the standards, you read them and it tells you what domain it falls under. If you go look, each standard has a domain in parentheses. These domains are called psychomotor, cognitive, and affective. I want you to match up the domains with their meanings. So you can just simply Google them to find out. I'm going to give you a link that you can look at, which is going to be this link right here. But if you go look at the standards, you see that standard 2 works with the cognitive domain. So you need to know what those mean. So a lot of times when we do stuff in PE, everybody wants to know why we're doing it and what's the purpose. So that's kind of why those are right there. So the domains are right here and their meanings are listed as A, B, C. So I'm going to give you the link to refresh your memory about the standards and the reference page that I just showed you. And all you have to do is write down the matchup. So if you think number 1, which is psychomotor, and A, meaning having knowledge or thinking, go together, then you're going to write it out as 1A. So if you think 1 and A go together, put that. If you think 2 and C go together, and then of course B or 3 and B, like that. That's all you gotta do. So whatever meaning you think goes with the correct domain is what I want you to do. So the link for the reference page is right here. It just kind of goes over the 3 domains of learning, and I want you just to go through to see how many different ones there are with the standards. So standard 1 is a psychomotor domain. Standard 2 is cognitive. Standard 3 is psychomotor again. 4 is affective. 5 is affective. So there's a couple different ones. There's only one cognitive, which is standard 2. The rest are psychomotor and affective. So I just wanted you to get familiar with what these mean, and then of course your assignment is to just match them up. If you have any questions, let me know, and just remember this is where you're writing your answers right here. So go ahead and fill that out, submit it, and remember to take attendance as well. And again, email me if you have any issues, but it shouldn't be that hard.